Basket.
Ito ba yun? Yung mga bad, ano? Ah, dali. Hello, hello. What's super hot? Isn't it raining there? No. Hello, hello. Naambon na pala, naambon na. Here is the rainforest. Ah, buti pa dyan. Dito ang bana, pero tingnan mo, naambon na. Walang hangin, hindi naman mahangin, sis. Ulan lang, hindi naman mahangin. Dito dumidilim pa lang eh. Magdamag ulan dito, may konting hangin. Ah, kagabi biglang lakas ng ulan tapos may hangin din. Pero saglit lang.
Mama.
Po.
Wala ako dito. Dito tapat ako.
Oh, ayan, dyan ka. May hangin din pa bugso-bugso. Hindi ako makalabang nga. Walang masampayan. Di ba may dryer ka naman? Ay, wala ka bang dryer? Bili ka na ng dryer mo. Magtatag-ulan na.
Mama, di ba ako dito? Mama, tuwa dito.
Basta ayoko yung isa, yung ayoko nung pinapanood mong isa. Murahan ng murahan, bad yun. Wala naman akong dryer. Ah, wala ba? Bumili ka na. Kailangan mo yun kapag maulan na. Ay. Kapag tag-ulan na sis. Naku. Hirap yung sampay.
Yeah, Snowy, what is it?
I need you to write down a password for a game real quick. The code is I like Roblox 26.
Okay, Snowy, I got my notepad pulled up. You said it's I like
Walang pambili.
I like.
Dami mo na ipon dyan sa YouTube ha. Dami mo nang ipon.
Hurry, the password's gonna expire.
I'm trying, Snowy, I'm trying. This is just how slow I am at typing. I wish I could learn how to type faster. Wait, what were the numbers at the end again?
I know how you can
Bawasan mo yung ipon sa YouTube ah.
Plus one speed keyboard escape.
Plus one speed keyboard escape. What's
May
that?
masampayan. Ay ano? May masampayan namin dito sa labas. Kaya pag
You know plus one speed keyboard escape? You can like play it right now.
Yeah, guys, I want to see how many of you have heard of that game too, because I've never heard of it.
dryer nga ang kailangan mo para pag
This is the place where you can go
pag
to
ganyang
get
tag-ulan sa loob ng bahay mismo ang
It's
sampay.
super fun, but it's super satisfying too.
Whoa, this is satisfying, but look how slow I
Hindi
am.
ka natulog?
Oh my God,
Ako'y naantok
you're
ako.
so new. But don't worry, Tyler. By the end of today, you'll be almost as fast as me.
Whoa, how are you that fast, Snowy? That's crazy.
Come on, Tyler. Let's see if you can do stage 2.
Okay, Snowy, hold on a second. Whoa, I gotta jump across the lava here, but I love the sound of the keyboard. It's so fun. Oh my gosh, can I make this jump? Yes. Snowy, I don't know if I can make this next jump here. Let me just walk back and forth so I can upgrade my speed.
Ayan, naulan na.
Fine, just gotta keep typing and yes, level up.
Yeah.
I can make the jump.
Nakalagnat
Guys,
hindi.
I need to prove to Snowy today that I can be super fast too. And she is.
Talaga na.
Super easy. All you have to do is
No.
run past Tyler, read a cappuccino.
Mamaya paglakas na.
Yeah, that looks easy enough. Here we go.
Nakakalagnat pa
I'm
yan.
going for it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. No, she got me.
I'm gonna head to the next world. It's for pros like me only.
Kung malapit ka lang ba?
Wait, I want to see what the next world looks like.
Alam mo ba yung dryer ko? Ang washing ko, binili ko pa yan ay 2,000.
This entire
2012?
The more I run on the keyboard, the faster my speed goes up. And it goes +1 speed with every key that I tap on.
Guys, Tyler doesn't know this, but since I've unlocked all of the worlds, I have a super admin panel, and I can totally mess with it. Come on, Tyler, see if you can beat Ballerina Cappuccino.
I think I can do it, Snowy! Wait, what? Why did I turn into a chicken?
What, Tyler? You're a cyber chicken? How'd you do that?
I don't know, Snowy, that was super weird. Maybe while walking on the keyboard, I accidentally typed out the word chicken, and then it did that to me.
Oh, yeah!
That's weird, but I can beat Ballerina Cappuccino
Ayan naman yung
this
dalawang
time.
to.
Here we go, here we go. I'm going across our chocolate
Sabi ko,
keyboard.
maingit
Whoa,
ulit
this
kita, Rose,
HP's
eh.
over here. Oh my gosh, can I make it? Can I make it? And
Tagal pa.
yes,
Pero
I
ano
made
sis,
it.
yung dryer ko,
Progress!
pinalitan ko na yan ng motor bago
From
na
that.
motor.
Yes! Hey, look, Snowy, and now I can upgrade, so I go +2 per step. Check it out, +2 speed per step.
That means you're gonna get faster, even faster!
Yeah, Zoe, look at the bar going up. Wait a second, Zoe. How much speed are you going
Mamayang
up per
gabi,
step
meron
right
na.
now? Don't you play this game all the time?
Yeah, Tyler, I go up to a trillion per step.
Oh man, I thought going up 2 per step was
Sulat mo nga
good.
dyan, ah.
But let's
May
see if I
ting
can
white.
get past this next stage. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, no!
Mighty
I
puti.
ain't faster than that.
Oh man, how can I make this go faster?
Mighty.
I'm going up +2 per step right now, and I just made it to the next level. Let's get past this part, and maybe I can unlock enough wins to unlock the next multiplier. Let's grab that, and let me get over here one more time. Yes! Now I have enough wins to go to the next multiplier. Snowy, now I'm going up +5 speed per second.
Ooh, Tyler, you're already getting faster. Remember, I have start there too.
Now let's see if I'm fast enough to make it past this giant ball.
Tulog kasi, naulan pala dyan eh, sarap matulog.
Yes, Snowy.
Tiny.
Wait, what? How did I get
Update lang
tiny?
naman ako.
Snowy, how'd you make me
Ang init
tiny?
eh, tingnan mo yung pawis.
Did you do this?
I don't know.
That's kind of weird, but at least I got 20 wins for that one. I can totally make it past the ball now. Let's try this again, and wait, why do I keep becoming tiny? Maybe it's just part of the stage.
That is hilarious. That's what it looks like if an ant got inside of your keyboard.
At least I'm back to normal size.
Gusto man
Let's get
malubot
across
nito.
here! Oh my gosh, luckily I can make it across these jumps.
Yeah, Tyler, it's because you're a little bit more speedy than when you started.
But what's going on in this next area? It has a bridge. Oh no, and the bridge disappeared! Aw, man!
Tyler, you're gonna need to upgrade way faster than that if you were to get past that bridge.
Yeah, Snowy, let's see if I can claim the wins over here, and let's upgrade. Whoa, I can get 25 per step now.
Whoa, that's way better than 5.
This is crazy! Look how fast my level is going up. Oh my gosh. But, Snowy, I think I want to change my keyboard sound. Right now it's on the creamy sound. Let's go to the chocolate sound. Whoa, it's like a deeper typing sound. Do you hear that?
Yeah, Tyler, it does sound like chocolate.
It's so satisfying. It's perfect for the chocolate keyboard. And I'm leveling up so fast now.
Yung washing ko,
Let's see if
nabili
I'm
ko
fast
naman
enough to
ng
get past this bridge.
2016 Mother's Day
Oh no,
na
so close.
napagalitan na doon yung gearbox.
I can also run in this
Kasi hindi naman ako madamot pag may yung hirap pinapahiram ko nasira pala. Kaya mula nung napalitan na, madami na siya sa
Don't worry, Tyler, you'll get there soon.
Ako naman kasi si Jowa, magaling mag-ayos ng mga ganyan.
Tyler, actually,
Yeah.
no way you could run on that now.
Siya lang gumagawa pag nasisira. Kaya nagtatagal din ng ganong katagal.
And then you have to run around in circles super fast. And you have to do that while saying, Snowy Fox is the fastest typer in the world.
Wait, what?
Just trust me, Tyler, it'll work.
Okay, Snowy Fox is the fastest typer in the world.
One more time.
Snowy Fox is the fastest typer in the world! Okay, there's no way that actually works. Wait, what? I can run on it now, and it's giving me 75 speed per second. Snowy, how do you know so many secrets about this game?
I play this game a lot.
That's crazy! My my speed is going up so fast now. But look at the next one that's
Naku,
next
si
to me.
Joselito,
It's times
walang alam.
9
Pag may
speed.
sira,
Wait a second,
pa-doktor
Silly. Can you
agad.
tell me how to unlock this one? It costs way more Robux.
Not yet, Tyler. You have to get a little further in the game to unlock
Eh,
that
deliver.
one.
Okay, guys, fast forward, and this 75 speed per second is going crazy. I leveled up so much. Thanks for telling me about
Okay naman,
that,
nandito
Snow.
na yung doktor. Nasa bahay ko na yung doktor.
Tyler 3,000 wins, so let's see if he notices. Hey, Tyler, you should probably see what level you can make it to now.
Okay, Silly, let's do it!
Tawan kasi yung cellphone, Aaron.
To unlock the next. Wait, what? Wait, this is already unlocked? Hold on a second, Silly. I was running at 25 per step because I unlocked that one. But how are these already unlocked?
Whoa, that's crazy, because you're going faster than you thought.
Wait, I have 3,000 wins now. How did that happen? Oh my gosh. So this whole time I could have been going up 300 speed a second on this?
That's crazy, Tyler. How'd that even happen?
I have no idea, Silly. I guess I unlocked that. I don't get how wins work on this game. I definitely did not win this game 3,000 times.
Maybe the keyboard gods gave it to you. Guys, I'm secretly gonna make Tyler super OP today. Let's see how he reacts.
Okay, Silly, I think I can make it over this bridge real quick.
Guys, after this
Ang
game,
lakas
we're
na.
going on the next one.
Anong lakas? Yung sound?
I made it past that. Let's go!
Nakabukas yung TV eh.
Wins here. Or
Ang lakas naman kasi ng TV mo, be.
next one. Whoa, that was close.
I'm gonna make him slip when he's running from this wave.
Okay, here comes the wave. Here comes the wave. Oh my gosh, I'm way faster. Wait, why did I
Pero nitong huli, ayaw umikot. Di ko na
We're
pinadoktor.
going to ran over a slippery keyboard key.
Yeah, so that's what it's like if you eat popcorn and you go on your keyboard. It gets
Oo,
super
TV.
buttery and slippery. I didn't even know that was a thing in this game.
Yeah, Tyler,
Sige ni
that's
JM.
pretty realistic.
Hopefully that doesn't happen again. Let's try running past it. Let's try running past it. Oh my gosh, can I beat it? Can I beat it this time? Can I beat it this time? Let's go!
Nice job, Tyler!
Okay, now it's time to change my keyboard sound. Let's do the candy sound. And let's see if I can make candy noises as I go through. Whoa, Suey, listen to it.
It kind of sounds like creepy rappers.
Yeah, totally. It's the candy keyboard. Whoa, look at this next part right here. How am I going to do this?
Oh, Tyler, even the emojis are scared. But I heard Tyler...
Tulog ka na, hindi ka ba naantok?
Sit towards the ladder.
Walang pasok.
Okay, so
Wala kaming pasok ngayon.
45 recommended.
Ano ngayon dito? Santa Rosa din.
Okay, guys, we can.
22nd Santa Rosa din.
I'm almost to level 45.
Sa, ay, ano? 22nd Santa Rosa anniversary ba?
Here we go, and...
Holiday dito sa amin, Santa Rosa.
What's that exploded when I made it to the top?
That was hilarious. You must have touched your bomb on the top of the ladder. Bakit tayo?
Ha? Anong kape?
Ayaw ang may... Ayaw what? What?
GM.
Convenience plus savings. That's my bank. Earn up to 50 pesos cash back monthly.
Makaka-play tapos?
315 pesos in your
Makaka-play tapos?
download the Lion app now.
Sige na sis, okay lang, sige lang.
Makaka-play tapos?
That was super weird. I
Kakalagnas
didn't see
ka.
anything.
Hindi.
Guess I'll just go back on this thing.
Hello, sis Angelica Ramos Fernandez. Shout out po. Thank you for coming.
Yes, it's working! I'll be hustling on this thing!
Well, maybe it's maybe a little too soon, Tyler, but I feel like you can go faster. Let's speed it up even more.
It went up again, 3.6K a second!
Whoa, Tyler, I've never seen you go this fast.
How is it going up so much? Is there like an event going on?
Oh, yeah, that was it.
I can't believe how fast my speed is going up right now. I can definitely make it past that next level. Let's do this thing!
Tyler, are you too chicky to see Valerie the Cappuccino after what you said to her earlier?
Oh, why would I be too chicken to see her? What? Why did I turn into a chicken again?
Oh my god, you are chicken! And it only last people you were on that road with her.
Maybe deep down, I'm super embarrassed about it.
Huwag na, Bi, kasi kakaunti lang to. Mamaya.
Yeah, Snowy, let's not talk about that again, but it was worth it to unlock the next treadmill.
Yeah, Tyler, you wouldn't be going this fast without that.
And look, Snowy, I'm totally able to pass this level now. This is awesome! Whoa, what's this yellow key? Oh my gosh, it gave me 2,000
Kakaunti lang to, dalawang balot lang. Mamaya.
What's going on with this new guy over here? Let's run past it! He's like a chocolate bear! Oh my gosh, how did he get me so quickly?
That was the fastest chocolate bear I've ever seen.
You know, Snowy, times 9 speed a second is pretty awesome, but how can I unlock this one? It's times 25 speed, and oh my gosh, it costs almost 800 Robux. Who has that kind of cash?
Don't spend any of your Robux on that, Tyler, because you'll be able to get it for free, too.
Really? How, Snowy?
Maybe you can try it.
Mga slipper, oh, akit mo dun sa ano.
Like, oh, it's going 20K!
Ako play that one. Ako play that one.
Wait, Snowy, how does this work? Is it because I've been here for like an hour?
Ako play that one.
This is crazy! Look how fast my speed is going up, Snowy! I'm going up level by level like crazy! I have over 14 million speed now! Okay, there's no way that chocolate bear is going to be able to defeat me this time, right?
No way, Tyler. You're
Na,
gonna
yung mga bintana sa taas.
Let's...
Yung pintuan doon ni Tita Rose, no?
Okay, so it did jump in,
Ron.
but I'm going to change my keyboard sound to something else. Let's try the honey keyboard.
Ooh, what does honey sound like?
Ron.
Oh, that sounds pretty cool.
It's so cute.
Let's go, let's go. Yes, I need that.
Pumasok ka rito.
So fast. Illegal.
I know, right? It feels like it's illegal. Why am I not going to jail? Wait, what the heck is that happening?
I guess it is illegal.
Yeah, Shelby. Hey, why am I doing it again? Every time I go through this.
If you're too tricky to face your Tyler.
Well, Shelby, at least I got the new honey keyboard sound, and it sounds great. Listen to that.
That's what happens when you pick every single key on the keyboard is honey.
Okay, so I think my speed is high enough to make it past this stage without getting caged this
Ay,
time.
nilang mo, ma. Naman. Sasabot mo lang ako.
Nga pwede, ato kayo may ginagawa. Hindi kita maasikaso dyan.
Hello.
Whoa, this is super tricky stage. I can't believe I like falling.
Kulit mo talaga, Jay.
It's going exciting. And it looks like your walk speed is going up by a lot, too.
Yeah, it says 6.4K every step. Wait, what? How did that happen?
Nakapay naman, Taylor. I guess the power of the speed.
Kaya dalan mo akong hanger pagbaba mo ha. Ako na kukulitan na eh.
Coming, 3, 2, wait, what boss? What is this amazing?
Kulit! Nantok na ako. Bingo sa gawain. Limited gawain ko ah. May order pa akong pulburo, hindi ka pa nagagawa.
Here's Lisa today. Without treatment, here's what she'll look like age 11, age 14, age 17, and finally age 18.
Cool. So look great. Doctor, we don't have a dental plan right now, so what's a
These predate stainless steel, so you can't get them wet. Lisa, so you won't be scared. I'll show you some of the tools I use. This is the script now. This is the okay. And this happy little fellow is the count. Hold still while I gas you.
The mirror. The mirror.
Here's Lisa today. Without treatment, here's what she'll look like age 11, age 14, age 17, and finally age 18.
Cool. So look great. Okay, go to run.
Crease the dollar bill both ways. Then bring the top corners inward so they meet at the center line. Now unfold the bill and turn it over before folding those same corners again. Unfold it and push the center inward until it forms a pointed shape. Then flatten it down and bring both sides toward the point. Then tuck the corners inward. Hold the center while you pull the sides apart, and as it opens up, press the middle flat. Then leave it on the table, looking like a fancy tip, even though it's just $1. Crease the dollar bill both ways. Then bring the top.
Nantok na ako.
Instead of destroying your needle for no reason, you can actually change its color. First, grab a crystal clear needle. Then pick your favorite color dye. Carefully inject the small amount inside. At first, the color stays in one spot, but once you start squeezing it, the color slowly spreads through the whole thing. Instead of destroying your needle for no reason, you can actually change its color. First, grab a Everyone checks their patients, but sometimes we don't look at the photos closely. And that might be the biggest mistake you can make. Your biopsy will show like it's a covered mom will turn into an anomaly. Sometimes behind it, one of the photos, you see a glimpse of something straight eerie. I've never before seen an anomaly graph. And to be honest, I don't want to fuck. Everyone checks their patients, but sometimes we don't look at the photos closely. And that
How to make a character eater in Melon Sandbox. Like and subscribe, or he eat phone. First, take a melon, delete his body, and use the slicing tool to cut his head like in the video. Then, connect the two head parts. Take a magnet, set it to react only to living, change force to 3, radius to 100, then resize and attach it to the head. Next, take a content activator, set the mode to delete, max dist to 0.1, and delay to 0.1. Turn on toggle, resize it, attach to the head, and make it invisible. Now, disable rotation for the entire construction. After that, take a plastic cube, make it green, resize, duplicate, and attach it to the head. Take 2 more cubes and connect them with a bearing and a spring. Finally, disable gravity for the whole build and you're done. How to make a character eater in Melon Sandbox. Like and subscribe, or he eat phone. First, take a melon, delete his body, and use the slicing tool to cut his head like in the video. Then, connect the two head parts. Take a magnet, set it to react only to living, change force to 3, radius to 100, then resize and attach it to the head. Next, take a content activator, set the mode to delete, max dist to 0.1, and delay to 0.1. Turn on toggle, resize it, attach to the head, and make it invisible. Now, disable rotation for the entire construction. After that, take a plastic cube, make it green, resize, duplicate, and attach it to the head. Take 2 more cubes and connect them with a bearing and a spring. Finally, disable gravity for the whole build and you're done. How to make a character eater in melon sandwich.
You ever wonder if the Toy Story toys were really alive? But you ever found that secret? Something terrible happened to him. And that exact same thing happened to Andy. Andy told Woody to move. He said he knew Woody was alive. And if he did not move, he would kill all his friends. And that is exactly what Andy started doing. He began breaking his toys one by one. And in that moment, Woody stood up and stopped Andy. For the first time in his life, Andy got what he always wanted. But it only lasted a few moments. So Woody looked at him and said,
You have cancer, Andy.
Woody told him that was their secret. And whoever finds out they are alive gets cancer. And suddenly blood started pouring from Andy's mouth. And he was rushed to the hospital immediately. Hit life or Woody would find. You ever wonder if the Toy Story toys were really alive? But whoever found that secret, something terrible happened to him. And that exact same thing happened to Andy. Andy told Woody to move. He said he knew Woody was alive. And if he did not move, he would kill all his friends. And that is exactly what Andy started doing. He began breaking.
Ma, ako naligo. Miss Ma? Di, Ma?
Mamaya po, may ginagawa pa nga si Mama. Kita maaasikaso. Pag sinabi mong ayaw mo na, hindi kita maasikaso. May ginagawa pa ako eh.
I'm gonna turn off the light. You're gonna move, okay? Go. When I turn off the light, you're gonna move, okay? Go. When I turn off the light, you're gonna move, okay? Go.
This melon is a nuclear bomb.
Ikot mga kasi. Ikot na ko eh. Ikat mo ang kaunti ba yung electricity? Be, ikat mo nga kaunti ang pan. Pan! Yan. Ano? Saan naman si kuya mo? Ano ba?
Para pa, kuya.
Ano?
Magandang araw mga kapatid.
Dahil walang pasok, tambak ang assignment. Ba't wala kayong pasok?
26 Friday.
Ba't wala kayong pasok?
Sa Northern at Central Luzon dahil sa patuloy na paglapit ni Taytulunday. Habagat inaasahan magkakaulan sa malaking bahagi ng bansa simula ngayon hanggang sa mga susunod na araw. Alamin natin ang mga bagong
Wait lang, may one more.
tungkol dito. Para naman lagi kang updated sa lagay ng panahon, i-click mo lang ang subscribe button. Ngayong umaga, ang sentro ng bagyo ay tinatayang nasa layong 620 kilometers bilangan ng Basco, Batanes. Ang lakas ng hangin ko ay nasa 150 kilometers per hour. Malapit sa sentro, may bugso hanggang 125 kilometers per hour. At ang central pressure ay nasa 900
May bagyo. Ay, oo.
Kumikilos ito northwestward sa bilis na 20 kilometers per hour at ang lawak ng strong hanggang typhoon force winds ay umaabot hanggang 860 kilometers mula sa sentro. Kahit humina na si Inday para sa mga naunang update, hindi pa rin ito maliit na sistema. Malawak pa rin ang sakop ng hangin ito at dahil nasa silangan ito ng Northern Luzon at tuloy nitong naaapektuhan ang lagay ng panahon sa nilasang bahagi ng bansa. Sabay nito, pinalalakas din ang southwest monsoon o habagat, kaya maraming lugar sa kanluran at isang bahagi ng bansa ang makakaranas ng pabalik-balik at isang malalakas na pagulan ngayong araw hanggang sa weekend. Sa kasalukuyan, may tropical cyclone wind system number 2 na kataas sa Batanes, eastern portion ng Maguilan Island at northern portion ng mainland Cagayan.
Para. Mama, ako play with ko. Mali ako. Bakit ito mali? Ako sa dito.
Ganda ng panahon dyan sa inyo. Naulan nga! Anong ganda ng panahon? Tingnan mo. Oh, naulan. Kita ba? Ayan o, naulan. Nandito yung kulog. Maulan. Pero ngayong hapon lang umulan. Kaninang umaga ang init. Wala rin kaming pasok. Hindi dahil sa bagyo. Holiday ang Santa Rosa ngayon.
When the doctors said they could finally separate me and my conjoined twin, only one of us was happy. For 10 years, me and Vanessa shared one body, but we made it work. When we brushed our teeth in front of the mirror, I would brush and she would floss. When we painted our nails, I'd do the hands and she'd do the feet. But when our parents finally saved enough money to have us separated, I thought we'd both be celebrating. But that night, Vanessa turned to me. I don't want us to go through with this. I can't live without you. I stroked my own hand to comfort her because I knew she could feel it. It's okay. The surgery will go fine. She didn't say anything, and I shrugged because I thought she'd come to her senses. And the next morning, while the doctors injected anesthesia into our arms and we counted back from 10, my heart was beating with adrenaline because I couldn't wait to have a life that was finally mine. But when we both woke up 8 hours later, I felt her moving, and I screamed in horror. The surgeon stood at the end of the bed. Don't worry, and didn't go through with it. Your sister told us you both changed your minds. She said neither of you wanted to be apart. I was so horrified the room started spinning. She'd sabotaged my one chance at freedom. I never said that. I wanted this more than anything. Vanessa was already crying. I told you I can't live without you. I started hyperventilating because I knew my sister was going to do everything she could to keep us stuck together forever. My eyes darted around the room, desperately looking for a solution. And that's when I spotted a bag of peanuts someone had left on the edge of the bed. While Vanessa cried and no one was looking, I instantly grabbed a handful and immediately shoved it into my mouth. The allergic reaction started immediately, and I breathed a sigh of relief because I knew now they would be forced to do the surgery. I lied. My heart is failing. It hurts. I think it's cardiac arrest. Me and Vanessa's throats both started closing. I could feel her squeezing her own hand so hard it drew blood to punish me, but I didn't care anymore. The monitors went off all at once. We need to go through with this. They could die. This time, before Vanessa could say anything, they started injecting the anesthesia. I woke up 8 hours later to one heartbeat on the monitor instead of two. My one hand covered my mouth as I gasped because for the first time I was free. But I was immediately confused because Vanessa wasn't there. We were able to save both of you, but Vanessa woke up from the surgery first. And when she saw she was separated from you, she plugged out the health monitor on herself. I found out too late. I'm sorry. She always said she couldn't live without me. Turns out she was right. When the doctors said they could finally separate me and my conjoined twin, only one of us was happy. For two
Don't promise me. Gigi, tingnan mo, ang lakas na rin ng ambon sa ay ng ulan sa amin. Oh. O, di ba? Ang lakas na rin ng ulan. Ah. No nga. Mag-end na tayo. Thank you peoples. Ganito lang 110. La 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 la. Ay, ako pa ito.